So hello everyone, today we are going to see the Leetcode problem, find common character. So let's first read the problem. You have been given a string array words, okay? Return an array of all character that show up in all string within the word including duplicates. Okay, so you may return the answer in any order. So basically you have been given some words, let's say Bella, label and roller. Now you need to find out how many characters that are repeating. Let's say if you pick E, then you can see E is there as well and E is there as well. Then you pick L and then you can see you have L and you have L. But you can see you have 2L and here also you have 2L, here also you have 2L. Then in your answer that would be E and 2L. Same for the second example, you have like cool and then lock and then cook. So you can see C is in 3, so answer would be C, and O is also present here. Next time if you pick O, you don't find O here, you can find here. Now K you don't find here, so your answer would be C and O. Remember that this is the string. Okay, so now how would you approach that question? So first thing that comes to your mind would be like, let's say you have this word Bella. Okay, you can create one map or anything else and you can count the frequency. And L has 2. Okay, now go to next string, that is label. For this one also create one map. A is 1, B is 1, E is 1 and L is 2. Okay, then we have roller. A is, sorry, not A, here we have E as 1, O as 1, L as 2, R as 1, I think anything else, E, R, L, O. Okay, I think R we have 2. So now you can see that A we have 1, but here we don't have any A, then A cannot be part of the result. Then we pick B, B is 1, here B, we don't have B, then B will also not be a part. Then we have E as 1, E as 1, E as 1 here, so E would be part of the answer. Then come to L, L is 2, L is 2, L is 2, then 2L would be part of the answer. So you can see our I could say, let's say I call it answer array new int 26. Since all the character are in lowercase, so we can pick the 26 for hash map usage. Now for each string we can create one array. Let's say I call it temp, size of 26, and I store the frequency stored. And then what I could do is I would update my answer I as whatever would be the minimum, answer I and temp I. Why I am picking the minimum? Because you know, like let's say you have two string, here you have 2A, but in this string you have only A, so obviously the answer will contain only 1A. Okay, and let's say you have 2L and here also 2L, then you can pick 2L as your answer. So let's write the code, and so that would be better actually. So first what I will do is I will create one array new int 26. Okay, first of all I will initialize it with the maximum value. So different language has different annotation. I think in C it is something int max. Okay, so now I will iterate my I could say I will iterate word string word words. Okay, now I will create one temp array, new int 26. Now I will iterate my string character x word to character array. Okay, now I will update my frequency. Now what I will do, I will pick the minimum as we have shown. I plus plus answer I would be math dot minimum. So you can see why we have taken the maximum, so that in first iteration it always pick the original temp I. And now I need to construct my result, new array list for int to 0 26. So how many frequency we have, we need to add that number of character, or we can say string. So I would say result dot add and string dot value of character I plus a, and then return the result. Okay, so if you don't know like what here we are doing, I will tell you. So you know that we have a b c d till z. Okay, but now we need to convert this into integer array index. Then we could say if I remove minus a, then it would result in 0. If I minus a, then it would result in 1, and like that would be 25. Now again to convert this to this, what we will do, we will add a. Okay, so in ASCII you know a b c d e, these are the consecutive and their value are also like 97 98 99 like that. Let me run the code. Okay, where, okay, it is not the count, actually it is the answer array. Okay, it got executed. Let me submit my code. Okay, I think that is fine. Now let's discuss about time and space complexity. So let's first discuss about the space complexity. We have initialized one array with size of 26, and then we have another temporary array that size also has 26, and then we have the resulted array. Mostly in auxiliary space we don't consider it because that is like our return result. So in that case our auxiliary space would be order of constant, that would be order of 1, because we have two array of size 26. Now let's discuss about the time complexity. Then we can see we are iterating our word, and then again words length. In that case the time complexity would be order of m cross n, where we can say n is the length of the word, that is this one, and m would be like that, words I dot length, like whatever would be the maximum. So we can pick that in worst case scenario. Then we have again two loops, I is 26 to answer I. Then we could say that would be 26 into how many character that could be duplicated. So we can say at max that could be order of m. So in that case our time complexity would be order of n into m, because that is the maximum. So in that case our time complexity would be order of m cross n, and space complexity would be order of 1. I think that's it. Let's see any other similar question that we have. Intersection of two arrays. Okay, you can try to solve this question, and I think that's all for this problem. Thank you and bye bye.